Hope everyone can see this part. Just there's a few things that you need to do ahead of time before you actually start any programming. And basically, you want to take a look at your part. You need to get familiar with the types of features you're going to be machining. So in this part, it's relatively prismatic, mostly two-axis operations, except for this slope surface right here, which can be, it's going to require some special consideration when you program this whole area right in here. So the next thing you want to look at, you want to make sure you understand how large the part is and how it's going to be oriented on your router bed. For this part, we have the long end oriented in the world y-axis, okay? So this would be on your router bed if your router runs lengthwise along the y-axis. You just want to be cognizant of how the part is oriented, and the short end is oriented in the world x-axis. And the part is located at the world origin in this top left bottom corner of the, okay? And obviously understand the type of material you're going to be using. This is an actual user's part, so we're not going to go into a whole lot of detail of what exactly it does or what it is or even the materials because it's a relatively proprietary part. So, but we do have permission to program it. So then after that, you want to take a look at, try to think ahead on the kind of geometry you're going to need to help you program this part. And obviously we have some curves that are in red here. We have curves that we are going to need to help us program the part. I'll just go over them in brief. We have some curves here. That's to take care of the slot that runs the full length of the part, and that it's just a rectangular 2D curve. And we have the same over here on this end. And then also we have a rectangle here located at the top. If you look at the top view, you'll see that it runs the full width and it stops in the middle of the pocket area right here on both sides. Okay, let's go back over here. And we do have some, well, we're going to be using some edges for programming too. Like we're going to be using this edge right here to clean up some areas.